Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have sausage, cucumber,
Give me a minute. It's not my day today, son. Real talk, it ain't my day, B. I'm already pissed off.
You're already pissed off.
Yeah.
Today we have sausage, cucumber, rice, and then we have some egg, and then we also have a little dipping sauce to dip our stuff in and put it all together. How you feeling, my love?
You already know it. Yeah, I tell you, see, my head's tell it all, but I'm still gonna eat my food though. Family, I'll get later into in the video. I'll tell you what happened later on, okay?
Yeah. That's crazy. People don't know how to act sometimes.
It's all good. But one thing, I ain't gonna make nobody try to punk me, dog. Real talk.
Let's say y'all going.
Yep. You already know what time it is. So family, yes, I know. Yeah, I see it. I know, but I'll tell you later on what went down, you know? It ain't gonna stop me from eating my food, you know? Gotta eat my food, but all you gotta know, your boy had to stand up for himself. Not your first lady.
We should go ahead having fights.
I said I don't tell the people them yet my youth. They say I start eating food yet. I want to hear that now they gone, you know? Yeah. You want to hear the first part now they gone.
No, they're gone. Having big fight.
They're gonna leave. You see, I tell you not to tell them yet, man. Don't beat me up no more, you know?
Okay, let me tell you something.
No, first day they didn't beat me up.
Just a thing. I am not the people them who you gotta fight with.
Okay, so stop.
I will win.
Stop telling the people my story, cause you don't tell people my story.
What are you gonna do?
Okay.
Don't take your frustration out on me.
Alright.
Because you gonna get beat up.
You see? You see, the first thing she said I got beat up, you know, but family.
You get beat up.
I'll tell you the story later. Okay.
Richie got kicked up and beat up and thump up.
I got a piece of egg. I'm still gonna give you some. That doesn't stop me from giving you some of the food. Take the piece of the egg, okay? Yeah, don't stop it. What happened? What happened?
I think so you didn't want any eggs, Richard.
I didn't. It's here, so I'm not gonna eat it. I didn't want no eggs.
I didn't have all the ingredients for the sauce, but it tastes alright.
It tastes good always.
It do taste good still.
How was your day, first lady?
Oh, it's good.
Hope you had a better day. But I did. You know what? When you tell me something, I gotta start listening more often, you know? Try me. When first they tell me stuff, I gotta start listening on. Oh yes, don't worry about it. It happens, don't worry.
I told him not to go.
They said, what happened to Richie's head?
Get beat up.
Family, I didn't get beat up, family. It didn't go down like that, I'm gonna let you know.
Yeah?
Okay? It did not go down like that. I'm gonna eat some food first.
I was gonna tell you not to be going to those places like that.
I know.
But you don't listen.
And then when I'm by myself too, right? It's all good though. If you were there, I know you'd have jumped in. You don't play games.
Jump in.
I wouldn't want you to jump in though.
And then afterwards, on the way home, I'd beat your ass.
Oh, you told me. I don't listen sometimes.
For fighting.
Yeah.
But let me tell you, I'm mind my business and let him tell you when he's ready.
I'm giving some time for more people coming on, because I ain't gonna try to talk the story over 2 times.
That's true. They already gonna call people already.
Yeah, I'm gonna call people and say, look at him. Look at Richie's head. Look at his head. What happened now? But they know I'm not a troublemaker.
Yeah?
They know that. They know that.
You're a troublemaker.
Yeah, me look. Mess me up like that, yeah.
Yeah. You're a troublemaker. The problem is...
What's the problem? Tell him.
Richie's trash talk. That's why I don't play games with Richie. Cause Richie's trash talk will make you want to fight him. So is that what happened?
So, you're right, but I didn't start his trash talk. The trash talk came to me and I had to back it up.
But your trash talk is epic. You have good shade. That's what I'm calling it.
I'm good at trash talking, you think? If there's no trash talking in basketball, ain't no sport. It ain't gonna be fun, you know?
I'm glad you're okay though.
Thank you.
I really am.
It's a big cut, you know?
Cause when he first told me, I was on the phone screaming.
It was a big cut. You saw it? Oh, God. But I don't know how it came. When you're fighting, you don't know.
That's what happens when you're fighting. You don't know what's going on.
What, did I tell them now? Everybody here?
It's up to you, honey.
My family, this is how it went down. I haven't played basketball in so long.
So long.
So long, family. Like a month and change. You know what I'm saying? So, this one particular park, I go there, but I don't go there often. You know? You right? And when I do go there, family, I'm not by myself. So I'm just so thirsty to play ball because they've been playing so long. I said, you know what? I'm going to go dolo.
Wow.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Sorry, go ahead. Stop.
Damn, I get hurt. I said, I'm going to go dolo, right? So first, before I go, anyway, you know I got to check in with the first lady. To the first lady I'm going in. She said, okay, enjoy yourself, be good. Don't get in no problems.
Don't go there and go trash talk no people then, because you don't know those people.
You have to trash talk though. If somebody's talking to you, you got to hold your ground. So, went there.
So good.
Went. It was a half court, so they were playing 4-on-4. So I called, I said, I got next. You know when you say you got next, people looking like, okay, who's this? Where you from? Okay? I said, I got next, family. They said, alright. So they was playing their game, right? They playing, so I was there exercising, stretching out. Doing my thing on the sideline. So there was this big guy and two little guys my size. So you know you can't stop somebody from playing defense on you, big or small. Oh my God, I don't know why I have to end up guarding the big guy. That's when the story went left. At that moment, I know I messed up. But family, people may see me because I'm small, but I know how to guard a big person in basketball. Go ahead.
Basically,
Tell him.
Richie's little, but him talawa. Okay. If you're from Jamaica, you know what I mean. Him little, but him talawa.
The family, you know you're little, the bigger person one day gonna try to bully you, take advantage. Trying to bully and take advantage of you. I learned my lesson from yesterday. Bully and take advantage of you, family. I'm not having that because I'm small, but I understand the game. I know how to play against the big guys. All they're gonna try to get all the post you down and do all that crap. I said, okay. So he's doing his thing, you know? His homeboys, I'm cheering him on.
On the sideline?
Oh, they're playing. They're on the team.
Oh.
They're hyping him up. So they're hyping him up. So he's going harder and harder. So you know I'm a little easier. I said, damn, he hit me one time. I said, God damn, B. This guy big, bro. I said, okay. Again, I didn't know nobody out there. It's been a long time I go out there. But I go because I want to play ball. So he did that a couple times. So when he started doing that, I started following him, like trying to hit the ball. He said, bro, why you keep following me? I said, you're trying to bully me, but you're following me yourself. You feel me? So,
sorry.
All right. So he kept doing it. So I got frustrated. I said, listen, if that's how you're gonna play, I'm gonna start pushing you. Family. He did that one time. I got so pissed off. I pushed him. Big guy. I pushed his ass so hard. That was it.
That was it?
All I know, he came after me. So when he came after me, family, I ducked. I don't know. I ducked. I grabbed him. He tried to start swinging me, so made him fell on the floor. We were rolling, family. All I know, is when I got up.
Blood.
Blood. And then from then, I knew it was a prank. You're too nosy. You're too nosy. Come on now. Ain't no way First Lady gonna let me go out to some place I don't know and don't come with me. And we have a little back end if you know that. Y'all too nosy. I know how to catch y'all. Because the first thing I see somebody, I say, yeah, what happened now, Richie? I want to hear the story time. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's what happened. Ain't nothing happened to my head. Clean. I need a tape up though, but I know I got you. I pranked you. I said, listen, I'm gonna prank the family members today. President, go ahead, Richie, go ahead. Y'all got pranked because you know what? Yeah, I know.
Y'all got pranked. Yeah, I got pranked. Never pranked y'all before.
Never pranked y'all before.
Nobody's off limits.
Everybody get pranked. You know what I'm saying? So y'all got pranked. Okay? Ain't nothing happened to me. One thing with me family, me personally, I don't go anywhere I don't really know. And if I do, I gotta go with people. Because anything like that could happen. So, which being said, I know y'all think the same. You know what I'm saying? You could never be too careful. Even
you know people.
Even though you know people. Listen to me. I tell myself, if I was rich, sorry, it's moving around. I can't get it right. I said, if I was rich, I'm gonna definitely give back to my community where I'm from, but I won't stay there. Because you know why? Your own friends, people that bad mind you, family member, anybody will turn against you. So I will give back and just separate myself from people. Not because I'm better than them, it's just I'm just being more careful. You understand? Yeah, I know stuff like happen like that in real life every time.
Yeah, because
yes,
you can give and give and give and give, and it still would never be enough.
Exactly.
Never.
That's what I'm trying to go at. Appreciate you for saying that, but yeah, I don't travel dolo, man. Anything could happen, but I know how to catch other people. That's a good one, though. I know how to catch them, you know.
You catch them good.
You think we caught them?
You caught them good.
Are they looking? That's the first thing you know. They see the food, but they looking at them.
And we can tell who watched the video. Because they're gonna be like, Richie, what happened? You okay? Oh my God. If you watch the video and don't put prank in this comment section.
Yeah.
Because we want to see who watching the video.
Yeah, and do not put prank. I want to see who's watching the video. I know y'all watch the video.
Yeah.
But do not put prank, okay?
Well, Richie, I knew you was lying.
Yeah. Don't put none of that. Let's see.
If you watch this video and you got this far,
yes,
we want to see a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Okay? I had to catch y'all good people. Trust me. It just came in my head. I said, damn, I got to do this one.
It did.
Just popped up. I said, you know what?
What made you think
First, I didn't even know.
I didn't know. How that? My God. And so we're in a job.
Yeah, we're in a job. See? That's my peoples right there texting me too.
Is it because you saw the Band-Aid?
Yes, because I saw the Band-Aid.
Where was it?
Right here on the table.
Oh.
I saw the Band-Aid. I said, you know what? I'm going to pull a prank on them. You know what I'm saying? We got them. Well, let's see. You think it look believable?
Yeah, man.
Okay, good. Well, family,
excuse me.
This was good. Fast meal. You know?
This was good.
Excellent job. Cucumber tastes good. I don't really like cucumber like that, but I'll eat it. I'm hungry.
Because this one is like the it's not so watery.
Yeah. This was good for today. You did a good job. Easy meal.
Easy meal. Easy peasy.
Easy meal.
This meal cost me $8. And the only reason why is because I bought 2 sausage. Because one would not have done it in this house.
Yeah, one wouldn't work for me. I need one for myself. Yeah. Yeah, it's that good. See, I'm licking my finger.
The cucumber or the cucumber
Cucumber
is nice and fresh. Like when you eat it, it freshens up the food. So you have this heavy sauce, and then you have the sausage, and when you eat the cucumber, it freshens up your mouth, so you don't feel like you're eating too much heavy stuff. You understand?
Yeah, I finished my side fast. Yeah, I guess I was telling a story.
Yeah. I'm full now.
You full? Okay, family. I got a beautiful word of wisdom for y'all, good people. We appreciate y'all for getting this far, you know. But this was good. I got a little headache.
You got a headache?
I'm playing in the hot sun, man.
That's because you did lying to the family member them.
You see, now my head hurt me for real, though, family. Okay. First lady. I want you to listen to this, okay? You listen sometimes or you don't listen. And then go talk your shit. Okay, family. Okay, my mom, because I want to listen. This one kind of not long, but when you're long, I just say it one time, so I want you to listen, okay, please. Family, first lady. Your mind is like a magnet. Okay. If you think of blessing, you attract blessings. And if you think of problems, you attract problems. Always cultivate good thoughts. Always remain positive and optimistic. We get what we think. Think positive. Life will be automatically positive.
Wow, very good.
You like that one, first lady?
I love it.
You think they understand I don't have to go back 2 times, right? 1 time is good for that long one, right?
I think so.
Yes. So family.
That's a good one.
That's a good one, right? So if you could relate, family, I like how y'all put that relate in that blue. That's what I like. So if I ask you a question, and you know what I mean, y'all watch the video so far, at least relate to the word of wisdom. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
So if the word of wisdom could be, be a positive thing for you, it's a positive thing for a lot of y'all, because a lot of y'all really like it. You know what I'm saying? But you just got to put it in your own thought. Don't put it in my thought. Don't put it in first lady thought. Put it in your thought. It goes for everybody, okay? There's something on your cheek. Let me take it off. It's gone, it's gone, honey. All right.
You gotta stop.
We appreciate you.
You know we do like every freaking video now.
We appreciate you. Probably it's an inside joke. We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. You know, this channel we just talk about anything positive vibes though. So if you come in this channel with negative, you gotta get out of here with that. We don't do that over here. But anyways, I am Richie and this is AKA Shanice, AKA First Lady, the one and only. You already know that. So they are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang, of course. Bye.